Hey guys, back with another video from my Addictive Blogging channel. So I have the Amazfit Active Edge smartwatch, and finally we can install the third-party watch faces on this watch. You can see I have already installed few of them, and definitely these watch faces looks a lot better than the watch faces which are only available in the Zepp app. And definitely there are a lot of watch faces available. I will show some of the best watch faces which you can install on this watch, and these are all third-party watch faces. And also at the end of the video I will tell you guys how you can install these watch faces. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are new says don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, this watch doesn't have the option to install the third-party watch faces, but recently there is a way with which you can install some limited number of third-party watch faces, and some of the watch faces look absolutely beautiful. So the first watch face in the list is the Nike watch face, and you can see this watch face I have already installed. The name of the watch face is Nike Orange Numbers Active Edge. So this is the watch face which you can install on your Amazfit Active Edge, and looks really good. There is a gradient color also, and there are other variants also which you can install on this watch. So the other two variant is yellow and also a blue variant of the watch face is available, and these watch faces can be installed directly on your Amazfit Active Edge smartwatch. Obviously this doesn't show any other information, but the watch face really looks cool on your watch. So the next watch face on the list is the simple complete watch face, and this watch face also looks really good on the watch. You can see it shows you the weather information, the battery percentage, and also the date, and it also comes in this violet and white color. So definitely you can install this on your Amazfit Active Edge, and this watch face doesn't come with any variant, so you can directly install this on your watch itself. So next watch face is inspired by a watch face from the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and this is the perpetual watch face. You can see the watch face is exactly the same. The best part of this watch face is it shows a lot of information like the weather information, and also the battery percentage, the date, day and month. The weather icon also changes with the current weather, and definitely it looks really good on the Amazfit Active Edge. You can install this on the watch itself. Next watch face on the list is the Vegas T-Rex watch face, and this watch face comes with a lot of information. You can see it shows you the power, which is the battery percentage, and also it shows you the kilocalorie, the heart rate, the battery percentage here, the step count, the date, day and month, and also it looks beautiful. The best part is it is a clickable watch face, and you can click on the heart rate to go to the heart rate directly, and definitely there are the functions which you can use on the watch. So here you can see the step count also is clickable, and the alarm option is also there. So very beautiful watch face with a lot of information, and you can install this on the Amazfit Active Edge itself. Next watch face on the list is inspired by the Samsung Galaxy Watch face, and this watch face you have already seen how many times. This is the default watch face for the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, 7, and obviously it looks similar, and it shows you the heart rate here, the date and the month, and obviously this also looks beautiful on the Amazfit Active Edge. This is also a clickable watch face, so you can just click on this icon and directly measure the blood oxygen level or SpO2, and definitely this is working really good. So this is a watch face also you can install on the Amazfit Active Edge, looks really good. So last watch face on the list is the Casio RA watch face. This also comes with a lot of information, and it resembles the Casio watch. You can see a lot of information it is showing. It is showing you the weather information, the battery percentage, the time, date and day, the step count, every information it shows, and also it shows the analog clock in there. So definitely it looks really good, and you can install this on the Amazfit Active Edge itself. Now let's see how we can install these third-party watch faces on the Amazfit Active Edge. And to install these watch faces, what you have to do, at first get the Zepp app and connect the watch to the Zepp app itself. Once you have connected it to the default Zepp app, you will go to the profile and you will be able to see that the Amazfit Active Edge smartwatch should be connected here. Once you have already connected this, you need to come to Play Store and install an app in there. So the app name is the Amazfaces, and this is the app which you need to install. The Amazfaces also has a lot of watch faces which you can install on Amazfit watches, and recently they have included the Amazfit Active Edge smartwatch also. So you just need to open it, and once you open it, you need to log into your account. So you need to create an account. I have already logged into my account, and you can see this is the account which I have logged in, and here you need to select the device as Amazfit Active Edge. So how to select the device is Amazfit Active series, you need to select here, and in the model you will get two models, Amazfit Active Edge. You need to select and click on apply. Once you have selected this, now is the time to install the watch faces. You can see only a few number of watch faces are there, but that is enough to have, as third-party watch faces are very limited for this watch. But although you can install now, so what you need to do is go to any watch face, and now you need to just click on install watch face option. There is another option also, download via Zap app. Make sure you have connected the Amazfit Active Edge with the Zap app also to install the watch faces. And once you have connected to Zap app, you just need to click on the install option, and you need to click on see ads to search or select the version, and it will get installed on your watch. So this is very easy and very minimal nowadays. The process was a bit hectic previously, but now you don't need to connect your watch with any of the other options like the MAC address or IP address, but directly the watch face will be getting installed on the watch, which is really good. So definitely it got installed now, and once you have installed it, you can check all your watch faces by tapping and holding on the Amazfit Active Edge, and you will get all the watch faces in here. If you want to delete any watch face, you can delete also. Just you need to scroll up and there will be the delete option. This is how you delete the watch faces on your Amazfit Active Edge smartwatch. Also, as I have seen that there are a lot of third-party watch faces which you can install, and some are really good. So I will be making another video on the third-party watch faces which are really good looking that you can install on the watch. So that's it guys, I wanted to show you about some of the really good looking third-party watch faces which you can install on the Amazfit Active Edge. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.